I'm at Punta Sur Eco Beach today. I'm here with Haley and Zoe. We're gonna just be exploring the area. They've got a lighthouse here, they've got crocodiles, they've got a boat tour and a nice beach and good food. So we're excited to have a great day. Should be really fun. Our first stop today is going to be here at the crocodile spotting spot. We've got an observation tower up there. Should help make it a little bit easier to spot them. You can barely see, but like right there, looks like there's two crocodiles. We got one just barely sticking his nose out and another one just below the surface. There it is. There's a crocodile I've been waiting for. Our next stop is going to be the lighthouse. So we've got 133 steps to the top. Let's go to them. So we're on the top of the lighthouse now. Our next stop's going to be down this way. It looks like we've got the beach to ourselves right now, so we're going to enjoy it while we can. But it might rain later today, so we're hoping to the most out of the sunshine we've got. So you can kind of see the reef here under the water, so we're gonna get our snorkel gear on and go check it out, see what we can see. All right, we're gonna be doing the ecological tour next, so should be pretty good. It's been really great so far. Lots of things to do here, so. The ecological tour is pretty cool. We got to see some of the cool plants that grow in the lagoon, so that was neat. And it stopped raining, so that was nice. We're gonna go explore some more. And here, nice in the shade. We got these swings that you can swing on. and we're gonna get some food next. It's raining again, so we're gonna head to the museum next. We're just getting into the museum. We're gonna take a look. Looks like they've got multiple rooms in here with lots of different information. So we're gonna go through and look at it all. We're just starting out on the nature trail. It's just right here next to the lighthouse. It's supposed to be a lot of really nice and pretty vegetation, so let's go see it. Alright, we've got a little looky out here. Possible crocodile sighting spot. Don't see any right now. Onward to the cenote. There are a lot of mosquitoes right now through here, so Haley and Zoe turned back to the car, but I want to go see the observation tower in the cenote, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, here's the observation tower. Going up. Whoa, big old birds just flew off from up there. Missed those on camera, but it was pretty cool. You can see it out there. That was two of those, whatever that bird is. So there's our lighthouse, and wow, pretty cool view up here. And here is the cenote. Nice and brown. There's stairs going down to this, which just makes me wonder if people swim in this. I do see some little fish, some minnows swimming around in there. We are back in our car, and that's it for a day. We had a blast. It was super fun. Thanks for watching.